Hello and welcome back. Today we are going to be talking about marketing. By the end of this lesson, you will have a lot of phrases that you can use in, let's say, marketing meetings. So I hope you're ready. You need your pen and your paper. You're going to do a lot of writing. Let's get started. So what is marketing? Marketing is about building a relationship with your customers. It's about understanding them and it's about maintaining that relationship with them. Every business will have to market their products and their services. If we think about marketing meetings, if you work in marketing, there's going to be a whole variety of phrases and vocabulary that you will need to understand. And we are going to have a look at those today. Now, there are two subtypes of marketing. We have offline marketing and we have digital marketing. So we're going to look at some phrases for both of those today. Before we get started with the list of vocabulary, I want to tell you that this is going to form your homework. So I'm starting with homework first. You will have a list of vocabulary and phrases by the end of this lesson. It is then down to you to go research examples of how to use it. Brand identity. Say it with me. Brand identity. Brand identity is the message that a company wants to send to the customers. Brand identity. Brand guidelines. Brand guidelines. This is a company's do's and don'ts for the marketing material. They will need to make sure that their marketing is consistent. There should be no rapid changes. Look and feel. Look and feel of a company. Think about all the big companies that you know. How do they look and how do they feel? That's all this is about, the look and feel of a company. Next is visibility. Visibility. Try it with me. Visibility. This is all about a company's ability to be seen. Of course, a company needs people to see it if they are going to buy products and services. So they need visibility. Online marketing activities. Online marketing activities. So think about the internet. This is going to be things like online advertisements, emails, any kind of online interaction. This is all the activities that can happen with marketing online. We also have offline marketing activities, and this will include things like flyers, billboards, TV commercials. Marketing campaign. Marketing campaign. Say it with me. Marketing campaign, this is about the message that the company wants the audience to remember. So think about Nike. They said, just do it. Everyone remembers this. Marketing campaigns will be done through advertisements. Next, we have marketing objective. Objective. Marketing objective. This will be the sales goal. How much money does the company want to make from this campaign? Campaign reach. Reach. Think about reaching. So there should be someone tracking and analyzing all this data to find out how many people are seeing this campaign, how many people are aware of this campaign. Marketing collateral. Collateral. Marketing collateral. This is about all the materials that have been used for marketing. It's a collection of all the materials used. Marketing collateral. Search engine optimization. This will be shortened to SEO. This is a digital marketing term. Have you ever Googled a company and they come straight up? Or maybe you're looking for a product, maybe a new pair of shoes, and a company, they jump right to the top of the search. This is search engine optimization. It allows a company to rank higher for you when you are looking for something. Big data. As the name suggests, all this is a collection of all the data about this marketing campaign. So you will have numbers and facts and figures, and then you will be able to analyze and track and make plans for the future. Real-time engagement. Think about real-time and then engagement. So this is usually done by things like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. This is about engaging with the customers in real time to sell your products and services. Online presence. Online presence. Quite simply, this is a company that has online presence. So there should be Instagram, Facebook, websites. This is online presence. Next is email blast. Blast. What is a blast? It's something that goes out, right? So this is what you will do. You have information of your customers and potential customers. You can then email everyone, all of your customers at the same time, advertising your products or your services. We call this an email blast. Next, we have clickbait. Clickbait. Bait is what we use when we go fishing. So you will put what do we put on that? It's like a worm or whatever you use when you go fishing. This is bait. So something that makes you click bait. It could be a nice headline. You think, you're interested. You want to see more. And then there should be an advertisement there for some product or service. Organic content. Organic content. Organic. What this means here is that this is content that has been produced naturally. There was never a plan to create some content. It just happened, and it happened to be great content. And so they went with it. The company will go with it and use it. Next, we have influencers. I think everyone here knows what an influencer is and what they do. So this will lead to celebrity-driven content. A company will use a famous person, an influencer, to make posts about their products and services in the hope that people start to buy these products and services. Now let's take a look at some useful marketing phrases. You need to write these down. You will use them if you work in marketing. So let's get started. To get business off the ground. To get business off the ground. This simply means to get started in something. You're going to start, you're going to succeed in it, but to get business off the ground. Let's get started with it. Let's get it off the ground. To go the extra mile. If you really want to be successful, then you need to go the extra mile. We need to generate lots of revenue, so let's go the extra mile. Go the extra mile. Think about, you can go 1 mile, but if you go an extra mile, then you're going to be more successful. Next is to generate a buzz. What this means is that you need to create excitement about your products and your services. You need to generate a buzz. Word of mouth. Word of mouth. This is your customers. They buy your product and they think it's amazing, and then they will tell their friends. Their friends will then buy your product or your service, and you will start to grow. This is a good thing. Word of mouth. Change the status quo. To change the status quo. What this means is that you are going to change the way that things are currently being done. You're going to change them. To change the status quo. To make tweaks. To make tweaks. Tweaks. To make tweaks. We need to make some tweaks. This means that you need to make small changes, tweaks, to seek step change growth. This is a company looking for ways to improve. So they are seeking growth through changes, you could say. That's how I try to remember it. A company is looking for ways to improve. To pioneer a product. Pioneer. To pioneer a product is to introduce that product. To log an early win. To log an early win. This is all about early success in the company and market share. Early success. To log an early win. An early win. Next is to drive demand. Drive demand. This is done through using tactics that are going to make people buy your products and your services. To jump at an opportunity. To jump at an opportunity. This means that you are going to enthusiastically take advantage of an opportunity. If you can, you do. To co-opt someone's tactics. To co-opt someone's tactics. This means that you are going to take someone else's tactics, perhaps they've had much success with their tactics, and then you will use them for your own purposes. Well done, and I hope I see you in the next class, which is going to be about customer service. See you soon.